Hello, welcome back. In this episode, we take you on a lacrosse journey through Florida. Despite some lingering damage from Hurricane Milton, we managed to enjoy some of the beautiful beaches along the East Coast. Our favorites were Passa Grille Beach and Longboat Key. After that, we headed over to St. Augustine. St. Augustine is the first city in America, so it is rich with history. The forts are amazing. Madeline got to play lacrosse with the lacrosse team at Flagler College and loved it. We got to explore the forts, the historical district, and the local beaches. Enjoy!
We're saving them! For what? We're putting them back in the ocean.
Oh, you're so brave! This is a first. We're at the Hurricane restaurant in Florida, and I see gator bites on the menu. Tender straight from the bayou. We are at the very end of St. Beach, a little town called Passa Grille. The rooftop bar, restaurant. The town's pretty damaged from the hurricane. It's a cloudy day, but it's supposed to get nice a little bit later. The beach looks nice. There was still tons of damage from Hurricane Milton. Hurricane Milton made landfall along Florida's Gulf Coast at 8:30 p.m. on Wednesday, October 9th. We saw lots of damaged homes, businesses, restaurants, and trees. There was sand all over the streets. It was crazy. It all came up from the beach. Pelican. Tampa Bay Watch Discovery Center. I don't think we're gonna go in there, but probably good for kids and adults, I guess. The big marina over there. And a little airport for small planes.
Mom, what are you doing?
I'm vlogging. Look at these little palm trees. They're so cute. I love these. These are like my favorite ones.
What?
What are you thinking?
Nice.
What are you thinking about doing right now?
Shopping.
Yeah, where are you going to stop?
Aritzia.
Where else?
Aloe.
What do you want to get?
I want to get a new sweatsuit and some jeans.
Well, you can find those things.
Yeah.
Ooh, what's up there? A tiki bar? I don't think we're going to go eat there. No.
Are you sure this beach is open, Mom?
No, I'm not.
Oh, great.
Oh, the poor palm trees. We're gonna battle the wind here, at least for a few minutes. It is definitely windy here on Whitney Beach, but it's beautiful. The sand is so soft. What's up? Woo! I think so. I think we gotta go. Oh my gosh, it's so windy! Okay. Ah! You guys ready? Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! You got a bunch of jellyfish? Madeline!
We're saving them.
For what?
We're putting them back in the ocean.
Oh, you're so brave. Oh, honey. Very
think it's time to leave the beach. My towel is completely covered in sand. Oh, darn it. We're gonna go hit the pool. Oh, it's Maddie! Yeah, Maddie! Woo! She caught it too, didn't she? Good job, Madeline! Go, Alex! Woo! Good job, Madeline. Woo! Cool.
Maddie! Let's go, Maine! Yeah,
Nice,
Maddie!
Madeline.
I was going like 100 miles an hour.
Just so you know.
Oh, that's why these seats were open.
Look at her go. Look at how she holds the stick away from her. She holds the stick
That way she can get checked.
Yeah. You guys gotta do that.
Are you allowed to? That's warding.
Yeah, that's
No,
warding
that's
at our
warding.
level.
That's warding.
Yeah, this is warding.
Like
That's what
sit,
Ivy
push her
used to get called for all the time.
She used to go like
Because she would
this.
bring it down. And yeah, she would go like
flat.
this.
Watch out, watch out.
We're in the shower.
Yeah, this actually. Bob, she's got.
Oh, I'm actually terrified.
Look at she's swinging it like a baseball bat.
like a baseball. Thank you for shooting low.
Oh my god, they still have the ball. They still have the ball.
Yeah, because it's a shot. If it's a shot, then they keep the
Well,
ball.
I know.
Because it was a shot. If it's a shot, you can get it off. Oh! Ow!
Their arms must be like.
Oh, again.
It's not actually.
Well, in like this situation, it is. You know, just doesn't.
So that's negative, yeah.
Oh my god, imagine.
Yeah. Wow, that's cool. Look at this little house. Oh my gosh. Look. Limoncello. Limoncello. Wow, good morning, St. Augustine. This is beautiful. We are at Vilano Beach, just north of St. Augustine. So, looks really cool. We just dropped Madeline and Alex off at Flagler College, and they seem to like it so far. I mean, this is pretty amazing to have this at your backyard. We're gonna go pick them up. We just found Bunny. Madeline lost Bunny. We thought we left Bunny in Bradenton, but we found him under the sheets. We got a surfer going out right now. Still Still doing the Christmas songs. It's so pretty. It's like they're doing some work over there. This is Flagler College. Beautiful. Used to be an old hotel. Ponce de Leon Hotel.
And then most of the time, like, you move out.
Wait, the freshman dorms are in
The
there?
freshman dorms are in there. So then once you're done with freshman year, that's usually when you move off campus anyways.
So that's perfect.
So it's perfect. And
Wow.
then it's like the actual like dorms themselves, like the downstairs is all like old and stuff.
Wow.
Like nice old, you know what I mean?
And so where's the dorm part?
It's the upper part.
Upper part. And are there classrooms in there?
I don't know. The dining hall's in there. And then
Oh, because it's the freshman dorm.
yeah.
And look, you got your Starbucks right here.
Yeah, and there's
Across
there's a poke bowl place.
Some pirate ship I'm seeing. There's the Bridge of Lions. Oh my god, this is totally where we were. We stayed here for like a week. But we were under the bridge. So we were over there. So we would bring the dinghy in under the bridge. And then there's like a town dock up there. And you could shower up there. Look at this.
Maybe that's where we should bring it.
Oh, I miss the cruiser life. Soon.
What's that?
There's another beach over there, St. Augustine Beach.
St. Augustine Beach.
Yeah.
And then Vilano Beach.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, that's
A must-do when you're in St. Augustine is go visit the fort, Castillo de Marcos. It was built by the Spanish in St. Augustine to defend Florida in the Atlantic trade route. Castillo de San Marcos National Monument preserves the oldest masonry fortification in the continental United States and interprets more than 450 years of cultural intersections. We didn't go into the fort this time, but I do have some photos from the last time we were there with our first catamaran, sailing vessel Tiamo. I will add some pictures. Madeline loved the forts and she spent hours inside doing her homeschooling.
We'll just go down here and scoot through. Go this way. Oh, she said this place was good too. Spanish bakery cafe, empanadas. The oldest wooden schoolhouse.
This could make you supposed.
Yeah. So we just had the biggest scare. We thought we lost Bunny.
Found her in the sheets. Thank God.
Cheers, Bunny. Mwah.